Hey guys, I just got this multimeter, but I am not sure how to use it. Can you help me?
Of course, a multimeter is a handy tool that you can use to troubleshoot electrical problems and test household batteries.
That's right. First, you need to make sure the multimeter is turned off. Then connect the black probe to the common terminal, often marked as COM. Connect the red probe to the terminal that match what you want to measure.
Okay, I've done that, but there are so many settings on the dial. Which one should I use?
Okay, you see what I'm doing here? I will connect the red probe to the terminal that match what you want to measure. Then I will connect the black probe to the common terminal. If you want to measure the voltage, you can spin it to feed for voltage. Right now, I will measure the ABC battery. Connect the red probe to the positive side of the battery and the black probe to the negative side of the battery. And now, you can see it right on the screen. The battery voltage that we are measure is 1.517 volts. Beware not to mistakenly change the red probe and black probe position, because it have a polarity that if you change the polarity, then it might cause some fire from the battery, or also it can be blow up just because the wrong polarity. If you spin it to on position, you can measure the resistance of a resistor, and also you can check the circuit lane. If the circuit lane have been cut off or disconnected, then it will make no sound. But if the circuit is still on the right track, then the multimeter will make a beep sound. In the millivolt position, you can measure the volts, but it must be just in millivolts, because if you want to make the millivolt measuring a high voltage, then the multimeter might go exploded. Hertz is for measuring the frequency of an electricity. A is for measuring the amperes of an electricity, and milliamps and MA is for measuring the milliamps of an electricity.
And remember, always start with the high setting, then work your way down. For example, if you're measuring voltage and you're not sure which is 2 volt or 200 volts, start with the 200 volt setting. And one more thing, always disconnect the probes in the reverse order of how you connect them. Some remove the red probe first, then the black one.
The milli in millivolts and milliamperes represent 1,000th of a volt or ampere. This is because an electrical measurements can range from very large to very small values, and it's often more practical to measure in millivolts or MV or milliamperes MA rather than in volts or amperes.
Thanks guys. I think I've got the hang of it now.
Thanks for watching us
In this simple video for our English course test.